Good morning everyone. I am Priyanka and my topic is phase velocity, group velocity and relationship between phase velocity and group velocity. What is phase velocity? The rate at which the phase of a wave propagates in space is called as phase velocity. Here space specifies the location of a point within the wave cycle of a repetitive waveform. Phase velocity is denoted by Vp. We should know two things before the derivation, that is the angular frequency and the wave number. Angular frequency omega is 2 pi nu, that is the linear frequency. Wave number k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, that is wavelength. Derivation: the equation for a plane progressive wave is y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx. Y is the displacement, a is the amplitude of the wave, omega is the angular frequency, t is the time period, k is the wave number and x is the distance travelled. The term omega t minus kx gives the phase of a particle and it will be same for all the points in a periodic wave. So at each point the path and the wave number will remain constant. Only the time period and the distance travelled will vary. So we will differentiate omega t minus kx with respect to t. We will get omega into dt by dt minus k into dx by dt. dt will get cancelled. Omega minus k into dx by dt is equal to 0. Omega is equal to k into dx by dt. We know that dx by dt is equal to Vp. dx by dt is equal to omega k, or Vp is equal to omega by k. This is equation number 1. And we know that omega is equal to 2 pi nu, k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Substituting the values of omega and k in Vp is equal to omega by k, we will get Vp is equal to 2 pi nu divided by 2 pi by lambda, that is Vp is equal to nu into lambda. We have two equations for phase velocity, that is omega by k and nu into lambda. Next we have group velocity, another topic, that is group velocity. The velocity with which the wave packet obtained due to the superposition of waves traveling in a group is a group velocity. That is, the velocity with which the waves packet obtained due to the superposition of waves which are traveling in a group is called as group velocity. Before going to the derivation, principle of superposition of waves. It states that when two or more waves meet, the total displacement at any point is the vector sum of the displacement that each individual would cause at that point. That is, y is equal to y1 plus y2. Derivation: let two plane progressive wave of the same amplitude a be represented by the equation y1 is equal to a sin omega t minus kx and y2 is equal to, with a slight difference in omega and the wave number, we have omega plus delta omega into t plus k plus delta k into x. By the principle of superposition of waves, we have y plus y is equal to y1 plus y2, that is, we add up y1 plus y2. Here we can observe the formula of sin c plus sin d, that is 2 cos c minus d by 2 and sin c plus d by 2. We substitute this formula, that is 2, we have a common, a cos c is omega plus delta omega into t minus k plus delta k into x minus omega t minus kx divided by 2 and sin c plus d omega plus delta omega into t minus k plus delta k into x plus omega t minus kx divided by 2. By the further simplification, we get 2a cos omega t minus delta omega t minus kx minus delta omega x minus omega t plus kx divided by 2 into sin omega t plus delta omega t minus kx minus delta kx plus omega t minus kx divided by 2 plus omega t minus kx plus kx will get cancelled. Further simplification, we will get 2a cos delta omega by 2 into t minus delta k by 2 into x into sin 2 omega plus delta omega by 2 into t minus 2k plus delta k by 2 into x. We know that delta omega and delta k are very small compared to omega and k. So we can write 2 omega plus delta omega as 2 omega and 2k plus delta k as 2k. Then we can write y is equal to 2a cos delta omega by 2 into t minus delta k by 2 into x. Sin of, we cancel 2 and 2, we will get sin omega t minus kx. We can see that this equation is in the form a sin omega t minus kx. So y is equal to 2a cos omega t into t minus delta k by 2 into x. Here we have the sign factor, which represents a carrier wave which travels with a phase velocity of Vp, that is omega by k in this sign factor. In the same manner, in the cosine factor, we have delta omega by 2 divided by delta k by 2, that is the velocity of the resultant wave of a group wave is called as group velocity, which is Vg, that is equal to delta omega by 2 divided by delta k by 2. That is Vg is equal to delta omega by delta k is the expression for group velocity. We have the relationship between phase velocity and the group velocity. A dispersion medium means a medium in which the waves of the different wavelengths travel in different speeds. This phenomenon is known as dispersion. The relationship between angular frequency and the wave number is known as dispersion medium. Derivation: we have phase velocity Vp is equal to omega by k and group velocity Vg is equal to d omega by dk. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Omega we can write it as Vp into k and Vg, group velocity, is equal to d omega by dk. Vg is equal to d by dk. Omega can be written as Vp into k. By applying the product rule, we get Vg is equal to dVp by dk into k plus Vp into dk by dk. dk will get cancelled. Vg is equal to Vp plus dVp into k. dVp by dk can be written as dVp by d lambda into d lambda by dk. So this equation will become Vg is equal to Vp plus k into dVp by d lambda into d lambda by k. This is equation number 3. We know that k is the wave number, that is k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, or lambda is equal to 2 pi by k. Differentiating this equation with respect to k, we will get d by dk of lambda is equal to 2 pi by k. 2 pi remains constant. We have to differentiate 1 by k. Differentiation of 1 by k is minus 1 by k square. So the final expression of d lambda by dk is equal to minus 2 pi by k square. This is equation number 5. We have to substitute this equation in equation number 3. That is, substituting equation 5 in equation number 3, we get Vg is equal to Vp plus d into Vp by d lambda. D lambda by dk is minus 2 pi by k square. That is, Vg is equal to Vp minus kk will get cancelled. 2 pi by k into dVp by d lambda. 2 pi by k is lambda. Therefore, Vg is equal to Vp minus lambda into dVp by d lambda. This is equation number 6. We have one more formula for group velocity, that is Vg is equal to d omega by dk. Omega is Vp into k. We apply product rule, dVp by dk into k plus Vp, and we will get the expression for group velocity, that is Vp plus k into dVp by dk. So this equation number 7 and equation number 6 gives us the relationship between group velocity and phase velocity in a dispersive medium. In a non-dispersive medium, k will be equal to 0. Then, if we apply k equal to 0 in equation number 7 or in equation number 6, we will get Vg is equal to Vp. That is, in a non-dispersive medium, both group and phase velocities are identical. This is my seminar report. Thank you.